Welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is just a quick tour around Switzerland. Ipasyal ko po muna kayo. And this is Zurich Airport. This is Lake Zurich at the back of CBD. Walkable lang po dito at kayang-kaya niyo pong lakarin from the waterfront up to here. This is I often go here in Globus. Dito po ako bumababa. Yung Globus is a mall. And this is the main Lake Zurich waterfront. Sasakay lang po kayo ng tram at madadaanan na po to. Depende po kung nasaan kayo. And it depends on which tram number you're on. If you're staying for 2 or more weeks, then it's best to have a monthly pass. Ito naman po yung sort of countryside just out of the suburbs. At 15 to 20 minutes lang po yan away from the city. Ayan nga po, marami pong nagta-travel papunta sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Switzerland. Our previous day trip here in Stansenhorn. Please check my previous videos. And so many different types of Swiss chalet. Hindi ko na po alam kung dito tumira si Wilhelm Tell or dito po siya pinanganak. And this is the typical summer snacks or merienda dito po sa Switzerland. We visited a relative, may mga kamag-anak po kasi dito. And this is the grounds of this community. And this is another suburbs. Ayan nga po, nagbisita po uli kami sa iba pang kamag-anak ni Inlo. At syempre, gumala na naman sa city. It is better to walk around Zurich so you can discover more things about the restaurants and other shops, etc. And lots of historical buildings. Ang ganda po, di ba po? Nakapag-like na po ba kayo? At dahil lagi po ako naglalakad kapag gumagala at syempre sa trabaho na din. Disclosure, the link in this description are affiliate link, meaning I receive a small commission if you purchase through them at no extra cost to you. Thank you. Please allow me to promote this brand that I've trusted, which is an insole brand called Steppers. These products are good for all medical workers, staff retailers, construction workers, or anyone who is constantly on their feet. Who is suffering from plantar fasciitis or aching feet, please give this a try. You will get a 10% discount. From my link below. Sa mga kababayan ko po dyan, ito po ang ebidensya na talagang ginagamit ko po itong Steppers. Ginamit ko na po siya sa aking pagtatrabaho dahil lagi po akong nakatayo. Mostly on my feet. At talaga naman po talagang napakasakit ng aking paa pag hindi maayos ang insole ko or maganda yung sapatos na sinusuot ko na pang matagalan talaga sa mga taong katulad ko na nagtatrabaho na laging nakatayo. At ito na nga po, ready na yung aking panggala. Yung sapatos nga po, gusto ko rin pong mag-affiliate dyan. Yung link po nasa baba, pakipindot na lang po at pupunta po kayo sa website. There's a lot of shops around this area and just look for some bargains. And here we are under the Zurich Hauptbahnhof, which is the train station, subway. Underneath po yan, nasa ilalim. At ito naman po isa sa mga favorite mall ko na pinupuntahan. The two tower at the back is called Grossmonster. Ito naman pong Zurich Museum, may daanan din po galing sa ilalim ng train station dun sa may subway. I have an old video about this, so please check it out. And this is the meeting place inside the Hauptbahnhof. At dito po kami nag-stay. I hope you like this quick tour and more to come. Maraming salamat po sa mga umabot sa dulo.